With a range of fantastic features to look after your clothes, this washing machine from Hoover is ideal if you want to give your laundry specialist care. It has a 1400 RPM spin speed, an excellent A++ energy rating, and a large 10 kilogram drum capacity. We believe the bigger the drum, the better, because your clothes have more room to tumble for a better clean. Hoover's one-touch technology means this model can be remotely controlled using your smartphone or tablet. Simply download the app for free onto your smart device. You can then turn your machine on and off, choose your wash cycle, and even monitor your laundry's progress. So, when you'd rather spend time in the garden or out with friends, you can have perfectly clean clothes without tending to the machine. This model's KG mode uses clever sensors to weigh your laundry when you load the drum. This means the machine can work out just how much water, time, and energy it needs to use throughout the cycle to get your clothes clean. And it can help you save on your utility bills without having to lift a finger. If you're looking for a washing machine to give your laundry specialist care, this model from Hoover is a great addition to your kitchen.